Well, hi there, YouTuber. Today I'm gonna follow up on the previous tutorials I've made in this series, and it's gonna be an if and else statements. It isn't that hard actually. You can say like, let's make a basic thing, just to demonstrate. Um, Before everything of this runs, no, I can cut this out just to demonstrate. We can say if, 1 is bigger than 0, for example, which is it is, then you can say console.writeLine hi, I don't know, or like 1 is bigger than 0, and maybe. So if I start this, it will say 1 is bigger than 0. But what if I said 1 is smaller than 0? It's not gonna print anything. But I wanna do a thing if 1 isn't bigger than 0. Well, that's where the else comes in. You can say console.writeLine 1 is not bigger than. Hang on, it should be supposed to be 0 there. 0 is not bigger than 1, and I forgot one of those. You run it. 0 is not bigger than 1. No, it isn't. But how can I use this then? Well, I can show you that if you just go back to the old code. Now, I want to read what the user input. So, let's say we'll make a new string which would say answer answer equal to nothing. So then we do answer equal to console.readLine, and comment out, ask the user if the recorded data is correct. Yep. And what will we do then? Well, here is when the if thing comes. If answer is, now if you set the value, it's 1 equal sign. If you check a value, it's 2. Don't ask me why, it's just how it is. Well, if it is y, a small y, then yeah, the answer is correct. Console.writeLine, good for you. And now else, well, if the answer isn't y, what should we do? Well, console.writeLine, too bad. So if I run this now, well, my name is Tim. Okay, I made in. Is that right? No, too bad. If I run it again, what is your name? Tim. Okay, how old are you? 18. Is that information right? Yes, good for you. So you can see when I entered Y, it said good for you, and when I didn't, I could have entered, hi. It had said too bad. But what if I want to say the only answers that should be allowed is what a small y and a small n? Well, there's a statement called else if. So else if the value or answer is equal to a small n, then it's gonna write out that. And then we could do an else, if the value isn't, if none of these is true. Well, else console dot console the right line. That is not a valid answer. Yeah. What is your name? My name is Tim. Okay, I'm 18. And let's just check. Hi, that is not a valid answer. No, it isn't. But my name is Tim and I'm 18. And well, no, it isn't. Too bad. Let's check if the Y still work. Tim, 18. Yes. Good for you. So, a quick little tutorial on if statements, and it isn't hard. Next tutorial, we're gonna go into some loops. Loops are when you get to more advanced programming and using databases and stuff, you really get to use the advantage of loops. So, I'll see you then. Thanks for watching this tutorial.